With the recent YouTube policies, becoming a partner and obviously getting monetized has become very, very easy. With just 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours and a couple other things, you're on your way to getting monetized. Imagine just starting your channel in a couple of days and you're already getting monetized. Stick around. It's actually very, very easy. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 48 hours. It's actually very simple. It's going to blow your mind, but you have to put in the work. Yeah. So in case you're a struggling YouTube channel, you probably have like 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, or you even have less, or you have 0 subscribers. Come closer. This is for you. Stick around. So first off, you have to have a niche, right? You have to have a niche. So like in my other videos, I usually discourage new channels doing going multi-niched. You post a video on sports today, tomorrow you're posting a video on music. You confuse your audience and you confuse the algorithm, right? So next is channel optimization. Okay, I have that covered in another video, so you might want to check for my the link to my playlist. It's on the description of this video. I cover channel optimization. So the algorithm has to understand what your channel is about. Is your channel a sports channel? Is it a cooking channel? Is it a channel for Christian content? Is it a channel for relationships and all that? The algorithm has to understand, and only your channel optimization can tell the algorithm that help the algorithm understand what your channel is about, and so it's going to push your content to the right audience. Okay, it doesn't stop there. Video optimization. Video optimization. So I'm going to be focusing on a new channel, 0 subscribers. Video optimization, you have to pay very close attention to video optimization. What is video optimization? You have to put in the right keywords that will make your videos pop up when videos like yours are searched, right? So video optimization is very technical. It's a very technical thing because now you have to put in the work to make the research. I know there are amazing tools, SEO tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and a couple others. So you can actually get them. They can do the work for you because title is everything. When you want your video to pop up, title is everything. You have to make sure that you're using the right keywords, not just the right keywords, the trending keywords, right? Especially because don't forget, you want to grow your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 48 hours. I'm not saying in 30 days, in 48 hours. So the easiest way to blow your channel is to go with what's trending. Make a research. This is your niche. What are the trending keywords in that niche? Right. So, and you have to make that research. You have to ensure that um you are not competing with bigger channels because, for instance, let's say there's a Mr. Beast channel and there's another channel with 100K subscribers. If Mr. Beast does a video with this title and someone searches that same video with that same title, of course Mr. Beast's video is going to pop up first. So you want to make sure that you are not competing against big channels, right? So, and the only way to get this right is by making the correct research. You want to put in the correct research, right? You want to put in the time into video optimization, the right title, the right thumbnail. Um, I could recommend ChatGPT. Um, has some free features. ChatGPT, if you can subscribe on TubeBuddy and vidIQ, fantastic. Um, 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 they'll get you sorted, get you covered on this. Okay, the next is that you have to engage your viewers. I can't stress this enough. The algorithm can only push you in front of your audience. Now, what you do with the audience is left to you, right? And the algorithm pushes your content further based on the response of your audience, right? How do you start your video? What is your hook? How do you start your video? If you check your readings on YouTube Studio, you see 35% swiped away, 65% watched, right? So here's how the algorithm works. If it's pushing your content in front of, let's say, 100,000 people, and 75% of them are swiping away, it will stop pushing that content. It's very simple, right? The algorithm pushes your content based on the feedback of the audience. So you have to engage your viewers with everything that you have, right? So video editing is there. You have to make sure that your video is properly edited. People don't actually have time to to waste their time on something that is so slow. You need to put in the right background music, make sure something is moving on your screen, make sure something is busy. So it's just like it's very fast, yet you have a long video. So for you to be able to commit a viewer to watch your long video, say 4 minutes, 5 minutes, even 3 minutes, 2 minutes, it's a lot. That means you've done a whole lot, right? So, but the truth is, not everyone is going to stay till the end of the video, right? And I'm not a fan of this. Wait until the end of the video. I'll say this until the end of the video. So you shouldn't be trying too hard to make sure that they watch until the end. You should just give value from the first few seconds. Keep giving the value until they just keep following you until the end, right? So okay, next I'm going to talk about by the way, I have another video on retaining the audience retention, right? I have another video on audience retention. So do well to go look at that video, look at the skills, look at everything I talked about in that video. You need it for engaging your viewers, right? Uh, focus on shorts. Focus on shorts and short videos. For a new channel, you shouldn't be doing very long videos. I know you want to get monetized, but you shouldn't be doing very long videos because nobody knows you yet. You don't have a backlog of material for the algorithm um, to push you in face of viewers. You understand? So you've not been tested and trusted. You are new in the game. You understand? So you need to build some history, build some backlog. So do more short videos and shorts, right? So it's easier for the algorithm to just push shorts and short videos. Not everyone has, because they don't know you yet. They don't know what you can do. So they don't have the patience to be watching your long videos, right? So do short videos, amazing, and deliver on those short videos, right? So when you now have subscribers, you can now start rolling out the long videos, right? Okay, last but not the least, remixes. If you're not doing remixes, you're missing out on a whole lot. I did over 300%. I got over 300% subscribers on my music channel just doing remixes, my old stuff, old videos, not even new videos, old videos. I'll just unlist those same videos like over 24 hours for the algorithm to know who to push them videos to, the right hashtags, the right titles. So everything works hand in hand. You can't do one thing and ignore the other and expect your videos to fly. No, it doesn't work that way, right? So do these things, and I promise you get above 1,000 subscribers within 48 hours. If you have any question or there's another video you want me to cover, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.